Hello, today we are going to discuss about the subtraction property of matrix. For two matrices A and B of same order, we define the subtraction A minus B in this way, that is A plus minus B. That is, it is nothing but the addition of two matrices of A and minus B. For example, suppose A is a matrix 0, 2, 3, minus 4 and B is a matrix 1 0 0 1. Then first we do the scalar multiplication. Let me take another color. Okay, so the scalar multiplication, that is minus 1 into b, which is nothing but the minus b, can be written as minus 1 multiplied by 1 0 0 1, and it is equals to minus of b. Therefore minus of b is going to be, as we know that scalar multiplication results in multiplying every element of matrix with the scalar, then we get minus 1 0 0 minus 1, and then we add a plus minus b. And how can we do that? Let's see. Here a is equals to 0 0 to 3 minus 4, 0 to 3 minus 4, and minus b is equals to minus 1 0 0 minus 1. Therefore, when we add these two matrices A plus minus B, we get 0 2 3 minus 4 and plus minus 1 0 0 minus 1. Okay, as we already know that the matrix addition is nothing but adding every element of two matrices of same order. As we have been told that A and B are of same order, then A and minus B must be of same order. Then we get here minus 1, here 2, here 3, and here we get minus 5. So this is the result of subtraction of two matrices A and B. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.